Nerve damage is a critical health concern that can significantly affect an individual's daily life, leading to debilitating symptoms like pain, weakness, and numbness. This condition, often referred to as neuropathy, can disrupt normal activities, reduce mobility, and diminish a person's overall quality of life. In this discussion, we will delve into the various aspects of nerve damage, its causes, symptoms, and how certain essential vitamins play a vital role in nerve repair and maintenance. By understanding the significance of these vitamins, individuals can take proactive steps to improve their nerve health and potentially alleviate some of the discomforts associated with nerve damage. Through this exploration, we aim to empower you with the knowledge to make informed decisions that will support your journey to better nerve health. Nerve damage typically results from injury, disease, or medical conditions that interfere with the normal functioning of peripheral nerves. These nerves are responsible for transmitting signals between the brain and different parts of the body. When they are damaged, communication between the brain and body parts is disrupted, leading to a variety of symptoms. Common manifestations of nerve damage include tingling, numbness, a burning sensation, and muscle weakness, often occurring in the hands, feet, or other extremities. The intensity of these symptoms can vary, with some people experiencing mild discomfort, while others may suffer from severe pain and mobility issues. Several factors can contribute to nerve damage. One of the most common causes is diabetes. In diabetic individuals, high blood sugar levels can harm the nerves over time, leading to a condition called diabetic neuropathy. This type of neuropathy predominantly affects the feet and hands, leading to numbness, pain, and in severe cases, foot ulcers or infections. Similarly, autoimmune disorders like multiple sclerosis, or MS, can result in nerve damage. In MS, the body's immune system mistakenly attacks the protective covering of nerves called myelin, causing communication problems between the brain and the rest of the body. Injuries such as trauma from accidents or surgeries and infections can also lead to nerve impairment. Left untreated, nerve damage can cause chronic pain, difficulty walking, and even psychological effects, including anxiety and depression. Addressing nerve damage is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Early recognition of symptoms and understanding the potential causes are the first steps towards seeking treatment. Taking proactive measures, such as adopting a healthy lifestyle, managing underlying conditions, and focusing on proper nutrition, can significantly enhance nerve function and mitigate damage. Vitamins are essential for nerve health, playing a crucial role in nerve repair, reducing inflammation, and supporting nerve signaling. Among the key vitamins that have been scientifically shown to support nerve function are B vitamins, such as B1, B6, and B12, vitamin E, vitamin D, and folate, also known as vitamin B9. These vitamins contribute to the body's ability to regenerate damaged nerves, protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, and enhance the overall communication between nerve cells. By understanding the specific benefits of these vitamins, individuals can make dietary or supplemental changes to improve their nerve health and potentially alleviate the symptoms of neuropathy. So here are the 10 vitamins that can heal nerve damage. Be sure to stick around to get the maximum benefit from this list. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that can be highly effective in managing nerve pain. Curcumin's antioxidant properties help reduce the oxidative stress that contributes to nerve damage. Research shows that curcumin can alleviate pain and improve nerve function, especially in conditions like diabetic neuropathy. Adding turmeric to your diet or using supplements can help support nerve health. 2. Magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate is another important compound for nerve health. Magnesium helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and promotes relaxation, reducing symptoms of nerve pain and discomfort. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains into your diet can provide essential support for nerve function. 3. Vitamin B1. Thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, is essential for carbohydrate metabolism, which is necessary for energy production in nerve cells. Thiamine also has antioxidant properties, protecting nerves from oxidative damage. It is particularly important for individuals with diabetes, as it helps manage diabetic neuropathy by promoting nerve function and protecting against further damage. Dietary sources of thiamine include whole grains, pork, legumes, and nuts. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Other nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids also play a crucial role in nerve repair. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, and studies have shown that they promote nerve regeneration after injury. Consuming foods like fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel and sardines, flax seeds and walnuts, or taking fish oil supplements can help provide the body with sufficient omega-3s to enhance nerve repair and reduce inflammation. 5. Alpha-lipoic acid or ALA. Additionally, alpha-lipoic acid is another antioxidant that supports nerve health. ALA reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major contributors to nerve damage. It is also involved in energy production within cells, including nerve cells, ensuring they have the fuel they need to function optimally. Studies show that ALA can alleviate symptoms of diabetic neuropathy by reducing pain, tingling, and numbness. While ALA is found in foods such as spinach, broccoli, and organ meats, many people benefit from supplements to achieve therapeutic levels, especially those managing chronic neuropathy. 6. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects nerve cells from oxidative stress, which can cause cellular damage and worsen nerve function. As a fat-soluble vitamin, vitamin E stabilizes cell membranes and reduces the damaging effects of free radicals. Research shows that vitamin E can alleviate symptoms of peripheral neuropathy and support nerve recovery following damage. Incorporating vitamin E-rich foods into your diet, such as nuts, seeds, spinach, and vegetable oils, can provide the necessary antioxidants to combat nerve damage. This vitamin's ability to reduce inflammation and promote the healing of nerve cells highlights its importance in maintaining a healthy nervous system. 7. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, or cobalamin, is another indispensable vitamin for nerve health due to its role in myelin production. Myelin is the protective sheath that surrounds nerve fibers and ensures that electrical signals between nerve cells are transmitted efficiently. Without sufficient vitamin B12, the body cannot produce enough myelin, leading to neurological disorders such as peripheral neuropathy. This condition results in numbness, tingling, and weakness, particularly in the extremities. A B12 deficiency can also cause cognitive issues and mood changes. Since vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, vegetarians and vegans need to be especially mindful of their intake and may need to consider supplementation. Individuals with diabetes, who are prone to developing neuropathy, can benefit greatly from adequate vitamin B12 levels, as it supports myelin production and nerve cell metabolism. Now we've got to the top 3 powerful vitamin supplements that can heal nerve damage. Vitamin D is another vitamin that plays a pivotal role in nerve health. It is involved in the production of neurotrophic factors, proteins that support the survival, development, and function of neurons. By promoting nerve growth, vitamin D helps repair damaged nerve tissues, making it vital for maintaining a healthy nervous system. Studies have shown that low levels of vitamin D are associated with an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases and poor nerve function. Moreover, people with sufficient vitamin D levels often report reduced symptoms of neuropathy. Vitamin D can be obtained through sunlight exposure and dietary sources such as fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. Ensuring adequate vitamin D intake is essential for reducing inflammation, enhancing nerve growth, and improving overall nerve health. Another key nutrient is vitamin B9, commonly known as folate. Folate is essential for nerve repair because of its involvement in DNA synthesis and the formation of red blood cells, both of which are necessary for producing and maintaining new cells, including nerve cells. It is especially critical during times of rapid cell division and growth, such as during pregnancy, where it aids in the development of the fetal nervous system. A deficiency in folate can hinder the body's ability to repair nerve cells, leading to issues like peripheral neuropathy. This condition, characterized by pain, tingling, and numbness in the extremities, is often linked to insufficient folate levels. Leafy green vegetables, legumes, and fortified grains are rich sources of folate and should be consumed regularly to maintain adequate levels of this important vitamin. One of the most vital vitamins for nerve health is vitamin B6 or pyridoxine. It is particularly important because of its role in neurotransmitter synthesis, the chemicals that transmit signals between nerve cells. Neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA, depend on vitamin B6 for production. These neurotransmitters are not only essential for nerve communication, but also play a role in mood regulation, cognitive function, and stress management. Low levels of vitamin B6 can lead to mood disorders and nerve pain. Studies have shown that individuals with conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome, where nerves in the wrist are compressed, benefit from B6 supplementation as it helps reduce pain and restore function. Foods rich in vitamin B6 include poultry, fish, chickpeas, potatoes, and bananas, making it easy to incorporate into a balanced diet. In conclusion, understanding the role of vitamins and nutrients in nerve repair is crucial for anyone experiencing nerve damage or looking to enhance their overall nerve function. Vitamins such as B6, B12, D, E, folate, and other compounds like alpha-lipoic acid, omega-3s, and curcumin offer substantial benefits for nerve regeneration and protection. Always check with your doctor before changing diets and supplementation, but by incorporating foods rich in these vitamins or considering supplementation when necessary, individuals can take proactive steps to support their nerve health and improve their quality of life. Prioritizing a diet that includes these essential vitamins and nutrients can help prevent further nerve damage, reduce pain, and enhance overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health-related content. Share this information with friends and family who might benefit, and together we can build a community focused on improving health and well-being through informed health choices. And be sure to check out our useful links below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in the next video.